Hello and welcome to Mrigya's Food Story. Today I am going to show you the recipe of crispy honey chili potatoes. So let's get started with our recipe. For crispy honey chili potatoes, I have cut the potatoes in finger shape. Now I am going to add 2 tablespoons all-purpose flour to it, 2 tablespoons rice flour, 1 tablespoon corn flour, 1 tablespoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon chili paste, salt, half teaspoon. Mix all the ingredients well. Heat oil in a wok. Try and drop potato fingers one by one so that it don't stick. And deep fry the potato fingers in batches till the potato is half cooked. Remove the potato fingers from the oil and keep it aside. For the second coating, add the ingredients in the remaining of the flour, chili powder, salt, rice flour, corn flour, and add water in small batches to make thick batter. Now add the potato fingers in the batter and coat it well. Again, repeat the same process. Heat the oil and deep fry the potato fingers. Once the potato fingers are done, remove them from the oil and keep it aside. Now we will make the sauce for the honey chili potato. I have taken a wok over here to which I have added 2 tablespoon oil. Add chopped garlic 1 tablespoon, white sesame seed 1 teaspoon. Add spring onion. Chili flakes 1 teaspoon. Chili paste 1 teaspoon. Red chili sauce 1 teaspoon. Light soya sauce 1 teaspoon. Dark soya sauce 1 teaspoon. Vinegar half tablespoon. Tomato ketchup 1 tablespoon. Saute it for some time. Now add honey 1.5 tablespoon. Saute it again. Add half cup of water in the wok and bring it to boil. For corn flour slurry, I have taken corn flour to which I am going to add the water. Now add corn flour slurry to the sauce. It is going to thicken the sauce and bring it to boil. The sauce is ready. Now I'm going to add these potatoes to the sauce and mix it well. Do not overcook it, otherwise our potato fingers will get soggy. Garnish it with spring onion, white sesame seed, and serve it hot.